Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to teach you how to sort via numbers and names in MS Word. You can easily sort your table or your whatever you have entries in MS Excel, but you can also sort your table by name, by any value or roll number or you are looking here. So you just have to click anywhere on this table, like you have clicked here. Another option of layout will be activated and you have to click on layout and you have to go with data block, and here you will find short option. So like you are looking here, like 1 5 2 and 4, this wise is roll number and you want this to ascending order, so you have to click on short option and you have to choose here of column heading like sort by roll number, or you want to uh, sort by name, age, profession. So I am sorting by roll number, so I want it be in ascending order, so I have to click on this button or OK, and you can see that everything is changed and everything is sort now. 1 2 4 and 5, this is in ascending order. If you want this table be changed or these rows be changed by alphabetic order like A, B, then K, then T, this is first letter of each words, so you just have to click on short option and you have to click on sort by here by name, and here you have to click on ascending, that is already selected, so you just have to click on OK, and you can now see that these names are like A, B, K and T. This is in ascending order. If you want this be in descending order, so you just have to repeat the process, like you just have to go to data and select sort option, and here you have to select in descending order, so this will be in descending order. If you want these names or these persons be in ascending order by age, so you just have to click on sort option and here you have to sort by with age, and here you have to click on ascending, so the age wise list will be prepared. So this is the process guys.